So this is the river after a bit of rain, a couple of hours of rain there this evening. There's not a hope we could get across that. Also, you can see the water. Hang on, I just have to hold on tight here, I don't want to fall in. The water washing down the right of way from their the pond they made for their ducks. Hang on, jump over this here. Oh. Okay, I made it. Right, so the water it's pretty deep here, and this is a shallow part. Out there, it would go into my wellies. So this is because of the, I suppose you'd call it a dam that they made here. Instead of just fencing off the chickens, they fenced off the stream that's supposed to empty out here. And now usually before they did this, the stream would overflow, but not by too much. And it'll go out there and join the river, and there'd be a bit of water up to here, but not like this. This is literally a whole other river been made on the driveway. So it's you know, you get across one river and then you have to get across another one. So yeah. So this is where it comes out of here. Comes out here, all along here, all along. Look how high it is on this side of the fence. Like, it's literally washing away the roadway at the most dangerous part already. It's washing away the roadway. There's not a chance we're getting out of here today in the car anyway. So yeah, it's absolutely nuts. Look how high that is. Like, that's up to my hips. It's literally up to my hips. So it's a funny way of fencing in your chickens, by fencing in a stream as well. You know, that's been there since everything's been here, basically. There's no even point to it anymore because it's all coming out here. Yeah, so anyway, that's what we're dealing with. This will probably be like this on and off the whole winter. It wasn't this bad at all before they put in this fence for the chickens. Yeah, so I'll cut off now because I have to navigate back through the water. Okay.